Before you switch off this video, hear me out, because today I want to talk to you about why I think every woman over the age of 40 needs to start a YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to share 10 reasons why I think you should do it today. Some of those reasons are going to surprise you, especially number 10. So make sure you hold on until the end for that one. So here we go. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Carrie Stone, and this is Carry On, where we talk all things money, movement, and mindset. And today, we're talking the 10 reasons why I think you need to start a YouTube channel today. I've been slow to do this video because, quite frankly, I don't like the videos that tell you anybody can build a YouTube channel, because if you're building it for business, that's just not true. Because when you're building a YouTube channel for business, you have to treat it like a business and you have to be 100% committed to it. But that's not what I'm talking about today. But recently, I realized there are actually many other reasons why you should build a YouTube channel. And some of these reasons you may never have considered. So here are the 10 reasons why I think every woman over 40, whether they are introverted or extroverted, should start a YouTube channel today, starting with number 1. You get to leave a lasting legacy. I never thought about this when I started my channel until my daughter brought it up, and she told me, "Mom, down the road, like, my grandchildren are going to be able to watch you and learn from you." And I thought, that is pretty darn amazing. Because throughout my life, I have watched people not prioritize the elders in their family until they're pretty much on their deathbed. And then they bring out the cameras and start filming them and asking them to share all of their stories. All of the many stories that these people would have been happy to share for decades prior to that. But now they're being filmed at their worst, on their deathbed, and that's what everybody gets to remember them for. Well, when you build a YouTube channel, even if you're not building it to gain a bunch of subscribers, but you just started to share your stories, your history, and the stories of your family, it's just a way that you leave a legacy that maybe people wouldn't pick up so much in a journal. I have hundreds of journals, literally hundreds. I journal. That's just what I do. But I realized, even though I raised my kids to know how to write in cursive, they can't read my writing most of the time. So even my daughter asked one day, like, "How do you think we're ever going to know what you've written here?" And I realized, yeah, for most of it, they will have no idea how to read what I have written. So when I do videos, they can watch those and learn from me and see me. Even 30 years from now, they will still see me as a 55-year-old woman. And I think that is a pretty cool thing to leave to your future generations. So start a YouTube channel so that you can leave your legacy on this earth. Number 2, if you are a woman 40 or older, you have decades of wisdom and experience that you can share with other people. Maybe you are one of those people that is just really great at canning or sewing or doing many of these homemaker jobs that kids don't learn anymore, because we don't have a lot of moms at home anymore. So kids are growing up not knowing how to cook, how to clean, how to sew, how to do basic life skills, and you could teach them that. Or maybe you are a master in your career and you can help somebody learn how to be a better engineer or how to be a woman in the field of engineering. Whatever your skills have been, whatever wisdom you've gained from the last 4, 5, 6, or 7 decades, you can sit in front of your phone or your camera and you can film yourself talking about things that will help other people. And what an amazing blessing that could be. The number 3 reason you should start a YouTube channel, you can do it from anywhere. I am sitting in the Hampton Inn in Santa Clarita, California. I'm down here this week because I am singing with my daughter for her senior vocal recital. And we're here just having a blast celebrating her birthday. I just came back from practice for our song, and I can just sit here in my room and film a video that I had no plan of filming, but I just came up with the idea and thought I would do it. So I can do this from anywhere. It doesn't matter because I have my phone with me all the time. And I just happened to throw in my mic and my stand just in case, because I know how I am. So you can build a YouTube channel from anywhere while you're doing anything. Does it get any better than that? Number 4, you can build your community, or as I like to say, you can find your tribe. When you build a YouTube channel, or you put yourself out there into the YouTube hemisphere, you get to meet other people who have your same likes and dislikes and interests and skills. And that is an amazing blessing, especially if you live in a small town like I do. I don't really know any other YouTubers in person, but I get to connect with YouTubers out there. I get to connect with other entrepreneurial women out there. I get to connect with other coaches and other women who are building YouTube channels out there. And it is such an amazing thing to be able to do, to connect with people that you know. If you knew them in person, you would totally be best friends. You can connect with people and find your tribe by building a YouTube channel. Number 5, you can build a second career and do it from home. Maybe you are tired of going to the office every day. Maybe you are just done with answering to somebody else all the time, but you don't want to just retire and have nothing to do. Building a YouTube channel from home is a great way to take all those life skills that you've developed through the decades and put them into something that you can be the boss of. This is your business. You can do with it whatever you want to do with it. You can monetize it and get it growing big, or you can just keep it small and help those handful of people that you can reach out to and touch. So just enjoy it, build that second career, and have fun with it. And speaking of building a second career, this is my career here on YouTube. And if you like this video, would you please consider hitting that like button below? And if you aren't subscribed yet, would you consider doing that? It really helps me a lot. I don't make any money when you like and subscribe, but it does tell YouTube that you like what I'm doing, so they will push my videos out to help other people, and I so greatly appreciate your help. Number 6, you can help to fund your retirement. You know, when you get monetized on YouTube, there's no guarantee for how much money you can make, but I monetized my channel in less than 10 weeks, and ever since then, I think the first month I made about just under $400, and I have never made that little again. So maybe you just want some extra money to travel and do fun things. This might be the way to do it. You don't have to make some big business and big career out of it, but maybe you can just make an extra $500 or $1,000 a month that just supplements your retirement and gives you more freedom to do the things that you want to do. The number 7 reason why you need to start a YouTube channel today, it will help to not just grow your mind, but protect your mind as you're getting older. Starting a YouTube channel will keep you learning and growing. You have to keep up with technology in order to have a YouTube channel. You have to keep doing challenges or testing yourself and pushing yourself into places where maybe you aren't real comfortable going, but you just want to see if you can do it so that you can make a video about it to help other people. You need to keep reading and researching and doing the things that you need to do in order to keep your mind fresh so that you can share new information with your viewing audience. It's just a great way to grow and protect your brain. The number 8 reason why you should start a YouTube channel today is because it is pretty much free to very low cost. I did not spend a lot of money to start my YouTube channel. I already had an Apple 14 I bought, this is my second mic that I bought. So I've spent a total of about $100 on mics. I have a mic stand that I use that I think I spent $19 for. And at home I have a light box. Here I'm using natural light from a window and the lights behind me. So you don't even have to have a light box if you get good lighting in a room. But it doesn't really cost you that much to start. And so what other business can you start that doesn't really have any upfront cost? Go ahead, name one. I dare you. The 9th reason to start a YouTube channel is it is a great way for introverts to leave their mark on the world without having to people. You know, there are just some people who don't like to people. And I've been so amazed to find all of these YouTubers who are like so gregarious on camera that are really shy introverts. And my daughter is one. She's had a music channel on YouTube since I think she was 11. And she is so shy. But when you watch her videos, you would never guess that she is so shy, because she's just, joyful and happy and gregarious looking, but she's just very shy. So starting a YouTube channel is a great way for you to share your knowledge, to share your wisdom, to share your talents, but you don't have to people. And even if you want, you don't even have to have comments turned on your videos. If you don't want to have to deal with people at all, you can have it where you don't have any comments. People can't comment on your video. So if you're worried about haters, you can just switch that little button right off. You don't have to deal with haters. So you can still just be your introverted self, yet share your skills and your knowledge and your talents with the world. And my favorite reason, number 10, starting a YouTube channel will help you to define who you are. And in that process, it will align you with your purpose. And if you've watched any of my videos at all, you know that I am a woman who helps people to find their purpose and then to live it out with passion. When you start a YouTube channel, first of all, you have to figure out what are your 3 pillars. So for me, my 3 pillars were money, movement, and mindset, because those were the 3 things that really were the foundation of my transformative years as I went into my 50s. So when you have to decide those 3 pillars, it really helps you to connect with your values, your beliefs, the things that you're passionate about. If you're going to start a YouTube channel, you need to make sure you start it about something that you're passionate about. So it is just a really great way to define who you are and what your purpose is in being here. And I think that is pretty darn amazing. So even if all you did was start a YouTube channel for a time to define your purpose, and you were able to zero in on that purpose and then take that wherever it takes you, isn't that worth it? I think it is. So, are you going to consider starting a YouTube channel? Have you started one already? I would really love to know it. So would you leave me a comment below if you've started a YouTube channel, or if you're going to start a YouTube channel, and what are the things that you want to talk about? How are you going to change the world? I really, really want to hear about it. And if you want to know more about defining who you are and living out your purpose with passion, you may want to check out this video right here. And until next time, carry on.